How to Buy a Car, your step-by-step guide in buying a car, written by HowExpert Press, narrated by Tom Jaramillo. Introduction. Most people feel intimidated at the prospect of walking into a car dealership and purchasing a new or used vehicle. This is because dealerships have a reputation of ripping people off. This guide will tell you some of the secrets and show you how to go about buying a car. So, you are in the market for a new car. Maybe this is your first vehicle purchase, or maybe it is your 10th. It doesn't matter, but you should still follow these tips to help you get a good deal. The first thing you have to do is choose what car you want to buy. This may be obvious, but many people walk into a dealership without a clue. You may be thinking it's the salesman's job to sell me one. Yes, you are correct, but this also means you are not educated on specs, prices, residual values, insurance prices, so on and so forth. Start your research on the internet. It will provide you with all the information you will need. Reviews, prices, insurance quotes, trade-in values, and much more can be found here.